Take command of the road in the 2015 Subaru Legacy. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Subaru prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including power front seats, power moonroof, and a blind spot monitoring system. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.